Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So let us take example of the new title of the sustainability related risk. So the title is community relations related risk. The risk definition can be we can say relationship and impact on local communities. Local communities. Then what can be the risk contributing factors? Maybe we can say issues in operations, maybe land use related issues or land use practices. We can talk about ineffective community engagement programs. Okay, what can be the risk impacts? Risk impact will be like issues related to social licensing, and we can lose the social licensing also to operate, and also lack of community support. Community support. The next risk impact can be negative economic impacts, also lack of job creations, right? Then we can say mitigation will be hindered or disturbed for mitigation of the social conflicts and tensions, mitigation of social conflicts and the tensions, so that also can be hindered, disturbed. Okay, then we can say also negatively impacting the protection of culture, cultural heritage. Okay, and also local environment. Local environment. Basically, this is happening because ineffective collaboration on the community development initiatives. So, what can be the risk control measures to control all these risk impacts? We can say effective engagements and also consultations with local communities. The next is contributing to local economic development and also employment. Yep. We should respect for cultural heritage, cultural practices. Okay, the organization should respect for indigenous rights as well. That can be the one of the risk control measures. Then transparent communications and as well as accountabilities. Then we can say partnerships with local organizations and stakeholders. So in this risk title of community relations, what was the risk definition? Relationship and impact on the local community. What can be the contributing factors. We have seen that like operational issues, land use related practices, ineffective community engagement programs. Then what can be the risk impacts? Of course, it can impact the social licensing to operate and also the community support we can lose. Then negative economic impacts and lack of job creations in the market in the local area. Mitigating on the social mm, conflicts and tensions that can also be disturbed. This program can be disturbed. Okay, then also it can impact the protection of the cultural heritage and local communities related initiatives. Okay, negatively it can be impacted. Now what can be the controls for this? First one is like we should have effective engagement and consultation with the local communities, contributing to local economic development and the job creation and employment creation in the local area. Then also the organization should respect for the cultural heritage and indigenous rights. Then transparency in the communication and also set the accountability for the responsibles. Then partnerships with the local organizations and stakeholders. Thank you very much, friends. So we have seen multiple number of examples related to the sustainability risk. We have seen their risk titles, their risk definition, their contributing factors, their risk impacts, and risk controls. So I hope this uh, example or other examples can help you to understand what can be the possible risks related to ESG and sustainability. Thank you very much, friends.